Alright, let's start by understanding how the Voiceflow interface works, specifically how we can send messages. In Voiceflow, we'll be working with the workflow section where we have our first workflow for questions and answers. When we enter, we'll find a template. We can select the entire template or delete it. Now let's see how we can create a welcome message with our bot. As you can see, we have various options. We'll select the talk option and the message option. We can send a message, prompt, image, card, or image carousel. All AI-powered messaging options. So we'll send a message by connecting the trigger. As you can see, we can link the trigger with block. This trigger, as you can see, is a start trigger. We could use an intent or event trigger, which are different types, but we won't get into that now. Basically, we'll rename new block to something like welcome. Once we have this, we click enter agent message and type the message we want. We'll put something like, hello, welcome to the chatbot. Do you have any questions? This would be the first message. If we go to test the agent to try our bot, you'll see that when we start new chat, it greets us. Right now, this bot only sends messages, which is what we want. What's another way we can send messages? Well, through an image. We can send or upload an image. I'll pick any random one. When we click test your agent, it'll welcome us and upload this image. If we don't want the image, we right click and select delete. We can send a card, which is basically an image with a title and description. We could even add buttons to it. What's this useful for? Well, in this case, it's not very relevant, but it could help close a sale. Instead of the editing program I've shown here, you could use a product card as an example, like a $1,000 TV. Add a $1,000 TV, a brief description, and a button. The button simply says buy now. Clicking buy now could redirect the person elsewhere. Let's test it by clicking talk message, and we'll set it to show it's currently out of stock. We click run, then run test, and it'll say, hello, welcome to this chatbot. Do you have any questions? It shows the $1,000 sponsorship, and we click buy now. Then it tells us it's currently out of stock. So that's how we can send messages. How can we send an AI-powered message to a prompt? I don't recommend it. I prefer closed messages, but AI does add some life to it, mainly using talk. We drag prompt and create a new one here. Here I tell it to welcome the user who's talking to it. Hit add, we can include conversation history and more. There's the prompt, which I haven't named yet, but we could. Now we click run, then run test, and it'll start with an AI generated welcome. There it is. Hello there, I'm happy to chat with you and help you with whatever you might need. How are you going today? This was generated using artificial intelligence. So yeah, it's that simple.